I have the honor and privilege to present to you the best performing teams and individuals for award of trophies and medals. As we all know, all the teams performed very well, but others performed exceptionally well. The best drill team is the Internal Security Organization.
The head of the team, Internal Security Organization. You've done an outstanding job, and the judges have given you the prize for the best drill team. We thought ISO are always busy gathering intelligence and they have no time for drill, but it appears not, because they've emerged the best team in a drill. The representative of ISO, the Director General or the Deputy, will receive that prize on behalf of his team.
Of course, that's yes. This will be young girl.
The Internal Security Organization, who asked to join the Interforces competition, have challenged the regular UPDF units in a drill.
Guest of honor, sir, the runner-up in this category is the Special Forces Command.
General officers and distinguished guests, ISO, as the best and the winners in the drill competition, have won themselves a check of 10 million Uganda shillings in addition to the trophy. And the Chief of Defense Forces has just signed that check and is presenting it to the winning team. The runners-up, the Special Forces Command, have received a check of Uganda shillings, 5 million shillings. Well done, ISO, and well done, Special Forces Command.
The best drill commander, officer, commissioned officer, Lieutenant G. Asere from Directorate of Women Affairs. Best drill commander, officer.
The best drill commander, officer, and a lady. You have done very well. She has also received a check. Matunda yenye wanafanya kazi mzuri.
The best drill commander, NCO, Sergeant Muhammad Waswa from Internal Security Organization.
This is the best drill NCO, also from Internal Security Organization. Internal Security Organization are really shining. I should thank ISO for volunteering to join the inaugural CDF Interforces Drill Competition.
Guest of honor, sir, the best crop stick team is the Uganda People's Defense Air Forces.
The best crop stick team, the Uganda People's Defense Air Force, and the Air Force Commander, Lieutenant General Okidi, has moved forward to receive the grand prize on behalf of his team. Well done, Uganda People's Defense Air Force.
guest of honor, sir, the best cane stick team is the 3 Infantry Division.
3 Infantry Division have emerged the winners as the best cane stick team. Is Commander 3rd Infantry Division here? The Commander 3rd Infantry Division will receive the prize on behalf of his team. Well done, 3rd Infantry Division.
The best cultural integration was demonstrated by the Special Forces Command.
The best cultural integration, creative drill, has been won by the Special Forces Command and the Special Forces Command the Special Forces Command Commander, Major General Bidimujisha, I can see the smiling from ear to ear, is picking up yet another prize that has been won by the Special Forces Command. Well done, Special Forces Command, UPDF. And that comes with another prize of Uganda shillings 10 million, plus the trophy.
CDF, sir. The last on my list is the runner-up for the best cultural integration demonstration, the 5 Infantry Division.
5 Infantry Division are the second best in the cultural drill integration, and I can see the 5 Infantry Division Commander, Major General Keith Katunji, has moved forward to receive the prize on behalf of his team. Well done, 5 Infantry Division. Your creativity was not for nothing. Those are at least 5 cows for our people in Epadere. Well done, 5
I
Division.
beg your pardon, Chief Guest. It has just been brought to my attention that we also have a prize for the best SWORD team. This is the Internal Security Organization.
The best SWORD drill team, Internal Security Organization. Above all, we congratulate all the participants from all the services, formations, and units of UPDF. This is no doubt a successful first edition of the CDF Interforces Drill Competition. If we keep this up and maintain it as an annual event, as it has been envisaged to be, I think the future is very bright for UPDF. Military parade drills are what many others who are not in the military judge us to be. Our turnout, our precision and accuracy when we respond to orders, the teamwork,